YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a Creative Memories haul. So thank you for stopping by, thank you for checking out my haul. Check out my website, my information below if you'd like to order something. My goal at some point this year is to start doing some virtual crops. Haven't had a chance, probably won't be till the other half of the year. But anyway, I want to show you what I got. Before I do that, I want to say thank you for all those who have ordered from my website. I really appreciate it. Some of you, I don't even know you because you've never said anything on my channel or anything, but I don't care. That's nice of you that you watch my channel and you purchase things. So I really greatly appreciate your patronage as well, and of course you liking Creative Memory products. And if you have any questions, just let me know. So what did I purchase? I'm a tool girl. I'm always buying the punches. I have a billion punches, to say lightly, and I do, and I love their punches. I did get the circle chain, which is this right here in Hexagon with the border maker system. And last month the chain was the Hexagon, which was the honeycomb one. And I don't have that with me at the moment because I'm letting my cousin use it, and I was going to show it to you, which actually sold out really, really fast because everybody's into bees right now. It sold out like probably in a month. Normally they're there for at least 4 to 6 months. Sold out in a month, but this one would work as well. And I punched it out. If you want to use the border maker system on a layout with the bumblebees, and we also have the embossed Hexagon, which again goes along with the bumblebee theme, and you can emboss it so if you can. I don't know if you'll see it with this lighting. My light is kind of bright. You can see it, there you go. That it embosses the hexagon. So again, the hexagons, the honeycomb, and then we came out with a bee punch. And my cousin has my bees, and I thought I punched it out and let her take it. And I don't have my sample bee. I don't know where I dropped it. I punched it out to do the video, and now I can't find it. But it is a bee punch. And it punches out about like the size of this right here. So we have that. That is in stock now. So you want to get that as soon as you can, the bumblebee punch. So I'll show it in my next video. But anyway, it'll fit nicely with this hexagon, and you can do with this this circle chain. Since the honeycomb one is out, which I do have the honeycomb, but again, my cousin has that with that. So because she's making something real quick with it. So. And I'm trying to get some of my stuff put away. I was going to wait till she came back in a couple of days to bring it back to me, but I got to put stuff away because I'm in the middle of writing and I need some space. So, but just want to mention that to you out there. If you're into bumblebees, you want to check out this bumblebee punch. And of course you can punch it out, and you can punch the different color, the yellow and the black for the tail, and the wings could be white, whatever, or all one color, the silhouette, because it punches out in between the lines on the tail right there. But like I said, you can layer it, and the wings too, so it'll be it's like a silhouette. But anyways, nice punch. So that one. And then we have the bells and bows because we had the wedding paper come out as well, and that is this punch. And I always tell people, when you punch it out the first time on scrap paper, because they do usually oil these up, and it would be oil like the first 1 or 2 times when you punch it. So make sure you punch it out on scrap paper first. But that is that, the bells and bows. And then we have the infinity chain, which is this, which I think is so pretty. It looks like hearts, and you can do quite a few designs with it. I've seen some of our designers make some great stuff with it. And that is the infinity punch, and of course it has the button right there to open it up on the side, but it lays flat. You line it up right here, or you can line it up right here and punch, and you can do a couple things with that as well. So excited to get those, because yeah, I'm a tool girl. And these punches and stuff, they don't last long. They intend for them to be out like 6 months, and then next thing I know, they're gone. I mean, people buy these things. You look on eBay, you can look on Etsy. It's a black market for these tools. I like them because I use them. But people are very loyal to Creative Memories tools, and they will spend 3 and 4 times the amount for these recipes, templates, and for these punches. This is just a pickup tool. Basically, it's a multi-purpose tool. Of course, you can use its points, you know, pick up, you know, like a diamond dot or a stud or rhinestone and put it in place. You can use this to lift up something and replace it, like your alphabets when you're trying to lay them down on a layout. So it's just a multi-purpose tool that you can use in your craft room, as well as being the bone folder to crease. And it's got a nice rubbery grip, inexpensive, so that was a nice tool just to have to use with those things around your craft room. And so that's some of the punch outs, and I moved them out the way. I just got to clean up. I got to get the stuff out of my way. I did get this album. I'm telling you, hands down, they have the best albums. I think it's like a 200-year guarantee on these albums. I'm serious. The albums are the bomb. You can also get your album personalized. I show my friends. Like, I have one with my daughter when she was giving birth to my grandson. It's her face covering the whole entire album, so you can put pictures of your trips, pictures of your child, your pets, whatever you want on this whole entire cover, and you can get it customized, and the words on it too. You can get the spine customized to say, oh, vacation 2022, whatever you want to say on it. You can say the Henderson family, whatever your name is, you know, something like that. And then you can put words up here. And then we also have the standard ones that we come out that are just plain, nothing on them, and then decorations on the front. Like this one this is supposed to be Mexico, but for me it's going to be Nevada, because that looks like Nevada to me with all the cacti. And then after you purchase these, you can always go back later once you decide what you want to use your album. These come out, the spine, and you can get them customized. You can order spines, but whatever you want on them, so that way you have them on your shelf, you can quickly know what it is. Most of the albums are standard 12 by 12, but they do have some that come out a couple times a year that are 8 by 8 if you want the smaller size as well. So yeah, and you can also customize your page and make digital pages. You don't have to do paper crafting in Creative Members. You can do all digital scrapbooking if you like, and they make them in 12 by 12. They also have digital kits of all the paper collections that come out. You can upload those into your Silhouette or your Cricut and print them out and have them cut out with your Cricut and your Silhouette, and you have endless embellishments. So FYI, if you didn't know that as well. So we do have digital kits as well. So this one, like I said, is called the Cacti Landscape. So I'm using this for, I've been to a couple of times to Nevada, so I'm going to use this for my Nevada trips. I had to get this Unbe-leaf-able template. I buy all the recipe templates. I love the recipe templates because they are purposeful. And again, these are hard to come by. They're limited. You know, once they sell out, they don't reproduce the same template again. So I like them. They're just creative ways to make layouts. For me, I am behind on all of my scrapbooking. So I'm just letting my pages be about the photos and a couple of embellishments so that I can get my scrapbooks caught up. Because if not, I never finish them. No way I ever finish them. If I try to make just one page layouts with one picture and make it so beautiful and just, you know, whatever. Nothing wrong with that, because I do that too. But I'm just basically trying to get albums completed, and this is a great way to do it. I don't have to think about it. You can use template. These templates can be used so many different ways. They're 12 by 12. They're reusable. They're Mylar. And this is a symmetrical one, so basically you don't have as many options as far as like some of the other ones. You can rotate them and get different designs out of them. This is symmetrical, so it's going to be the same whichever way you rotate it, but you can pick and choose what you want to do with it. I can ink it through this, I can trace through this, I can plaster through this, or so you can use this in mixed media, or you can use this for paper crafting, and you can trace and cut, because they do come along with a pencil that you can buy for just like a couple dollars, $2 literally, or $3, that you can use on your pictures to trace it out and cut it out, and you cut your pictures out and pick them in here, alternate the squares, all the squares, around the squares, or circle in here. So many different designs, and that's what's so cool about these. Like this one right here, they're using it with a circle. You can see here it's more like a grid pattern. So it's multi-uses, and you can see it's a different grid pattern, and that's a different grid pattern. So it's a great way when you really don't want to think about something, and you just want to get a layout done. You can just pull out some papers, and do them really quickly. And again, these sell out, and it's really quick. I wanted another 13 by 13 inch mat because that allows me to put my whole 12 by 12 in here and put the other one beside it when I'm doing a 2-page spread. I typically do 2-page spreads versus a 1-page, and so I wanted an extra mat, even though I know they're going to be coming out with a bigger mat. I think I just wanted another one. And then I just got some colored cardstock to go with some of the other colored paper pads that I got previously, that I needed some of the cardstock to match it. And this is the Crimson, the Shell Shimmer, this goes with my baby pack, and then this Bronze Shimmer, like that. So those are the 3 paper pads that I got. And this promo I had earned an achievement, so they gave me a $25 credit, as well as I had some other stuff. So they gave me some freebie. We had free shipping on the promotion. So yeah, I did really well on this one. Despite all of the tools and stuff that cost a lot, I did very well on this particular order. And then I got a free catalog as well for the next, this ends, I believe, March the 30th. But it has all our different punches in here, different tools, different papers, and of course, you know, Creative Memories like started it all. Like, a lot of people don't know some of the stuff that they came out with first, but because they weren't, you know, in the store, people missed it. Some of the things like the what y'all call Project Life cards, but they were actually photo mat cards here. But anyway, this is the honeycomb one that I was talking about that goes along with the Bumblebee. And let's see, is there anything else in here? I was going to show you what the cutout of the Bumblebee, if it's in here. I don't see it in here. But anyway, it goes with our National Scrapbook Day, and it's all about the floral scents and the bees and the summertime. But anyway, thank you so much. And these are some other recipe templates that are still in there. You probably can't see that print, but some more left in there. But anyway, thank you so much for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.